If your zoom keeps changing in OneNote while you write, you're probably dealing with a touch input issue where your hand or palm is being treated like a pinch gesture. In this video, I'll show you how to lock that down so OneNote stops zooming in and out when you're trying to take notes. This is a quick fix, it's easy to follow, and it can make writing with a stylus feel much smoother. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open OneNote on your computer. Once OneNote is running, look at the top left corner and click File. This will open the Backstage menu where you can access the settings and options for the app. From the File menu, click Options. This opens the OneNote Options window where you can change how the app behaves when you're using a pen, touch, and other input methods. On the left side of the Options window, click Advanced. This is where OneNote keeps a lot of its pen and touch-related controls. Now scroll down until you find the pen section. You may need to move down a bit, so take your time and look carefully for the settings related to inking and panning. Here, you want to uncheck Automatically Switch between inking, selecting, and panning. This is the main setting that helps OneNote decide what to do when it detects touch input. Disabling it can stop OneNote from confusing your hand movements with zoom or pan gestures while you're writing. If you see another option called Switch to Focused Inking when the pen is undocked, uncheck that one as well. Not every version of OneNote shows this setting, so if you don't see it, that's completely fine. Just move on to the next step. After you've changed those settings, click OK to save everything. Once you do that, OneNote will apply the new behavior, and it should be much less likely to react to random finger input while your stylus is active. Now try writing in OneNote again. Rest your hand on the screen the way you normally would and check whether the page still zooms unexpectedly. In most cases, this setting change makes a big difference and gives you a more stable writing experience. If OneNote still feels a little sensitive, make sure your pen is properly connected and that your device drivers are up to date. Sometimes touch and pen behavior can also be affected by tablet settings, Windows updates, or hardware-specific features. But for most users, changing the pen options in OneNote is the fastest way to stop accidental zooming. So, to quickly recap, go to File, open Options, click Advanced. Find the pen section, uncheck the automatic switching setting, uncheck focused inking if you see it, and then click OK. That's the simple fix to lock down zoom behavior in OneNote and keep your notes smooth and steady. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.